If you're experiencing FPS drops on your PlayStation 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your console for better performance. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System, then System Software, and choose System Software Update and Settings. Download and install any available updates. Step 2. Adjust Performance Mode. Switch to Performance Mode for better frame rates. Go to Settings, then Game Presets, and select Performance Mode. This setting prioritizes frame rate over resolution in supported games. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep about 7 seconds. Connect your controller via USB and select the option to clear cache from the Safe Mode menu. Step 4. Manage storage. Ensure you have enough free space on your console. Go to Settings, then Storage, and check the available space. Delete any unnecessary games or applications to free up storage. Step 5. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect online gaming performance. Test your connection by going to Settings, then Network, and selecting Test Internet Connection. If the speed is low, consider using a wired connection or optimizing your Wi-Fi setup. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your PlayStation 5's performance and a reduction in FPS drops. Enjoy your gaming.